marking the end of King Cartel's digital empire and the fall of the Phantom Division. Suddenly, Mr. Majestic Ninja returns augmented and unnatural, engaging in an aerial battle with Draylin above Casava, where the fight intensifies as wounded Draylin strikes fiercely. In a breathtaking clash, the sky ignites with flames as Draylin, propelled by desperation, knocks Mr. Majestic Ninja into the searing sea of fire, where the fate of both hangs in the balance. As Draylin surveys the chaos below, he stands resolute with determination etched on his face. Draylin propels himself into the sky for one last assault, while Mr. Majestic Ninja emerges from the fiery depths more powerful and relentless than ever. As energy crackles around him, Draylin channels his strength for a final strike, ready to confront the relentless Mr. Majestic Ninja amid the chaos above Casava. With a surge of power, Draylin launches a blinding wave of light toward Mr. Majestic Ninja, who stands ready to encounter the ferocity of the final confrontation above the inferno. In a cataclysmic clash, Draylin's energy wave strikes Mr. Majestic Ninja, resulting in a dazzling explosion that lights up the battlefield, sealing their fates in an epic confrontation. As the smoke clears, Draylin emerges weary, yet triumphant, witnessing the devastation of Casava, the cost of their battle echoing in the silence that follows. Kneeling in the ashes of his beloved city, Draylin reflects on the sacrifices made, while his poignant words resonate across the desolation, underscoring the fight for peace, even in the darkest times. As Draylin's powerful words fill the air, survivors of Casava stand in silent contemplation, inspired by his bravery, understanding that their struggle for peace has only just begun. With dawn's light shining upon the remnants of Casava, Draylin rises from the ashes, embodying the hope of renewal, prepared to inspire others to join in the rebuilding of their world. As Draylin rallies the citizens of Casava, unity blossoms among them, each person determined to reclaim their home, igniting a collective spirit of resilience and hope for the future. In a powerful display of leadership, Draylin ignites the passion of his people, instilling courage and determination as they prepare to plant the seeds of hope for a brighter future. With each brick laid and every seed planted, Casava begins to transform as Draylin and his community work together, weaving hope back into the fabric of their lives. From a vantage point, Draylin gazes over the revitalized Casava, pride swelling in his heart as the community celebrates their triumph, forever marked by their shared journey of resilience. With the sun setting behind him, Draylin inspires the crowd, their joyous cheers echoing through the streets as a newfound sense of community fills the air, marking the beginning of a new chapter. As tales of old blend with the vibrancy of the present, Draylin and the community celebrate their heritage, forging connections that strengthen their resolve to uphold peace and unity. In a collaboration of art and action, Draylin and his fellow citizens transform their cityscape, sowing not just seeds in the ground, but also hope in the hearts of every resident. As Draylin strolls through the bustling streets, gratitude flows freely among the residents, since each moment a testament to their resilience and the peace they have fought so hard to achieve. Once again, Draylin captures the attention of his people, urging them to remain vigilant and united as they embrace a future built on collaboration, hope, and the lessons learned from their past struggles. With determination and unity, Draylin and the community march forward, their spirits high, forging ahead to ensure that the hard-won peace remains a lasting legacy for generations to come. In a moment of remembrance, Draylin pays tribute to those who sacrificed for peace, their legacy inspiring a new dawn in Casava, where hope shines brightly amidst the challenges ahead. As a new generation rises, Draylin empowers the youth of Casava, planting seeds of leadership that will flourish and help shape a brighter future for their beloved city. With creativity as a cornerstone of renewal, Draylin collaborates with artists and local vendors, transforming Casava into a canvas of hope and resilience that tells their shared story. In collaboration with local leaders, Draylin strategizes for the future, while joyous celebrations unfold under the stars, reminding everyone of the strength found in unity and shared culture. As the community comes together to express their creativity and culinary traditions, Draylin watches proudly, knowing that these shared experiences are the foundation of their enduring bond. With each tree planted, Draylin and the community nurture not just the environment, but their collective future, fostering a legacy that will thrive long after they are gone. At the forefront of change, Draylin rallies his community with tales of hope, while the youth engage in sports, embodying the teamwork and resilience that drives Casava forward. As the street festival unfolds, Draylin immerses himself in the heartbeat of Casava, where vibrant traditions come alive and children's imaginations pave the way for a hopeful tomorrow.